Hi guys, Shira is here and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today video I'm gonna do a Jennifer Lopez makeup tutorial. I'm very excited because I really like this look. So as a primer, I'm using in Smashbox by my hair. I'm just trying to rub it on my face just to let it absorb quickly. I'm using an instant full coverage concealer of Bobbi Brown and I'm doing it before the foundation. I'm not doing it really often, but the reason that I'm doing it right now is because I saw Scott Barnes is the makeup artist of Jennifer Lopez and he did the contour before the foundation. And the reason that I'm doing it is because when you do the contour before the foundation, it helps your skin look more slimmer and more sharper. So that explains the Jennifer Lopez amazing looks. I'm using a foundation stick of Bobbi Brown. The name is called Almond. I'm starting to do it in my cheeks. I really recommend you do it higher and not lower, then it's look better on your skin. And I'm doing it around the forehead. I'm doing it in jawline and in my nose. It's actually, I think, is the best way to do it. The nose contour that way, then you don't struggling with this too much. And in jawline, I'm actually doing it near my heels, and I'm doing it in the jawline. I'm just actually doing like a very thick lines, then it's look better, and then take and everything to the neck, then it's your skin look more firmer and lifter. So I'm using a contour brush and I'm just starting to do the brown part first, and I'm actually all the time doing it against the line, so I mean it's better, then it's absorbed quickly by the skin. It's look more firmer and look better on your skin. I'm using it for the foundation in Estee Lauder Double Wear. The number is 3 and 1. Now I'm putting over a little bit with a brush and then I'm going over with the beauty blender. I think it's better because we actually did contour before and we really want to save the contour look and we don't want to cover other contour. Then we did nothing. So just a little bit and then go over with the beauty blender. I'm using an embroider of Sephora. The number is 1 and the name is Clear Light. It's better because we did a contour before. The color it was really deep brown, so I don't want it to look too bronzy, so that's why I'm using it top in very light bronzer. I'm using an highlighter of Bobbi Brown. The name is Afternoon Glow, and this one is it's giving you like a natural glow and not too much like gold or shiny. That's why I so like it. I'm using a number 5 of La Palette of L'Oreal and I'm just doing it in my natural crease and I'm just going back and forth. I'm using a number 6 and I'm going again in my natural crease back and forth like we did before, but right now it's more brown, like it's more deep brown, and it's actually better because we want to get this smoky eye look. I'm using a Carrot Cake of Bobbi Brown palette, and actually this one is more kind of brown black eyeshadow, and I'm just doing it in the corner of my eye to get the smoky eye look. Right now I'm coming back to the first eyeshadow and the first brush, and I'm just starting to blend it with number 5 with the light brown. Just blend it and going back and forth again. I'm using a Gold Mine of Bobbi Brown as a gold eyeshadow, and I'm just doing it in the hand of my eye. I'm using in black eye pencil and I'm just doing it into my eyes and I'm going back and forth just to feel everything. And then I'm going down under my eyes because we want to get this smoky eye look, so we have to do it. And then what I'm doing, I'm actually taking a very thin brush and I'm just taking the number 6, the tip one, and I'm just going back and forth to get this smoky eye look. I'm using in Better Than Sex eyeliner pencil and off to face. That actually is my first time that I'm using it, which one is great. So I'm just trying to do kind of a very little wing eyeliner and not long eyeliner, then it's look better. I'm using an Estee Lauder mascara and I'm just using it on my natural eyelashes. So my little tip that I think it's really popular and we don't need it, but I'm just going with my lip pencil and I'm just going around my lips. Then I'm overlying it a little bit, then it's look more bigger, then your lips is look more bold. So guys, that was my JLo look. Thank you so much for watching me. I really appreciate that. Just before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and just comment below, let me know what you think about my makeup tutorial. See you next time.